between us. Mo pese mo ko digital ana nkuko kitten. Yeah, ko digital. Enyasa. Enti me pese me di nshishe bebre fufuro ba. Because we share MPP under the leadership of Lanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Ya ye juma. And yes, sir. COVID buyer, Ukraine war buyer, and then we are singing our buyer. But Osha Ejuma MPP, yeah, at least as chairman of the economic management team, let me say without any fear of contradiction that MPP, our performance on the economy is superior to John Mohammed's performance on the economy. Far superior. We share indicators now, and we will be getting into our records. They don't want to talk about records. We will talk about the record. Every area, virtually every area, we are superior in performance than the NDC. Superior. Ushe Dumsoa, we are superior. We perform better. And yes, sir. Agricultural growth, we perform better. Industrial growth, we perform better. And yes, sir. Job creation, we perform better. Ushe roads, we perform better. Railways, we perform better. Hospitals, we perform better. Classrooms, we perform better. Fish landing sites, we perform better. Zone development, we perform better. Court buildings, we perform better. Usha digitalized enti J Akufo-Addo Nana Akufo-Addo omunyina eka ho bi. And we owe them a debt of gratitude.
Of the government's landmark free SHS policy.
Pa, ubakode wani. Oya test code yo, oya sadwa jumo, osum pa oya dey ukwa wani. De ebinumri Ghana kodru ya. Ana ni da so ni no. Na na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo aba, ama ni so ya dey aba. Say na nyame Badwam Mpensenpensenmu aba na wasifie papa bi enya dey yatne etienne bijra ha munyina ye kamo na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo ase na waya bi nyame afa so ahia Ghana fo nyina nyefe so ya papa no abobra na wawuba na obano abedi wadie na odi tapade na dey akoda nim na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo awu Dr. Baumia ama na Ghana fo nyina o se bakọ ya no ho efe na ho akono ya di Ghana ni ma ya dey eye ya ti MPP kroi ebi sida ya nyina ya be ka boma bia ya adwumade afiwe ami ahye na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo efi se odun kwa Dr. Baumia be dey obeba ebi siwa MPP boda Ghana ha ya chechi Ghana abakosoma President Akufo-Addo call retirement but to be said case we say a free say ya chechi Ghana from 1957 ebe kan ya nya president bia wa Ghana che na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo Messi a free 1957 back on mo form Kwame Nkrumah no mo form Obia di wa ba di mampanya wa boga na ho ban e di Ghana kola nim China na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo me ka de say ya di jawa na di oswa ya di jano no ofa swa ye ma no ya akono eti na ye jira ha ya ma de si 2008 na bi si bi obo chama wutu bi kan na me ka so de ba ya fe de ba ya ni monyam sana na do bako adako Akufo-Addo bako na 7 January wa so ono di no keto ba obi ansa nene de ne ba ana ma de tiche obi a e bi say juma ni ba ba ye no Dr. Obiaba ba Ishebuma na Ghana ya dey akoda nim me so ye babunu ye abrante na wo ha oda chinti tuma Dr. Baumia me say oda chinti where dey Oda chinti yere. Munti asamba akope. Enra. The Kodanya England, English abroche. Padiba Koba this will never find the Blair. Fufu about the final Castama. Tony Blair say Castama. A food job Akubanam Dima. Digitization and do Yasano. But who might they say Obama England for the national ID card? Moyo, I've heard the English abroche, ever national ID card. And now the Nada Kwakufodo, need Dr. Baumeti.
Yebejina we so na ene to so enan na mampani abedi eche otu franka ama MPP edinedin
ache emfa emra bedwam dwumade so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 Multi TV dege boss say live and so honum it's a podcast na ekokohwe ekotie ne nyina Mr previous shows nyina so okwa the search for Adom TV on podcast obehu so me kakas ni amia on Friday and he started the sectorial debate ye share ase with the energy ministry and on Friday ye wo John Jinapo e wo Ifia representing the NDC then Ejapa Mesa also of the NPP na yebenya Copec yebenya LPG manufacturers Yebenya drivers GPRTU any other driver union and yebenya wana yitri babes or ma nso a omo ye hairdressers omo reps enso bebo hanom sele bebo benya kwanya and we say sampan for we nyina questions na obia benya kwanya ay presentation so honorable John Jinapo of the NDC bechire ne NDC Fisher 9 omo ye wo energy sector then moving forward the next 4 years no what they seek to achieve our energy sector on no or bechire then honorable Ejapa Mesa on the MPP so bechire efishia nwotwe ya omodi wo abanwa kese so no dia no matimi achieve our the energy sector na afo wachire efishia nan ya eda yemu a asoman no se Dr. Baomi atimi ewini a dia biem na Ghana for hwe ne mu se ebe improve our the energy sector then wuso awo fi so benya kwanya timi afre na question bi a yentimi bi a emisa na hanom no unso atimi ebisa so this is sectorial debate yerebro brano yebeko all sectors and cancer na yato amai abato kese ne nyina eweti aha ampano election headquarters kokomoti power ka say na fiada 7:30 pepepe na ko twe no ahye ase otiwhwe o TV ne so a flyer no na eda hanom no honorable John Jinapo representing the NDC then Ejapa Mesa representing the New Patriotic Party yefana se kese confirm Motor Guinness is any papa pa obi aji watumu a wonum bie enono ye efe edo de slick can no for the jeje can so ya the jeje can ye kama se wo di su kam kura na wonnum ka wo sepe kakra oh papa so to ama nchele kakra bi wai we ya ma nchele kakra bi ena ba to so ya ka so be say made in Ghana logo no ebo ho asa no wato no ankoto at the Bonnie Bia, Motor Guinness, papa, Spanish garlic mixture and capsules, and so in ye. And no, and I was never year. One night I see a tart time. Wa Johnson 10. Diabetes, how I can say, I'm an abroso, hypertension, arthritis, and I'm patcho, how down shank from a Bible Smith on a busa, no Hunamania, a draw here, a Spanish garlic mixture and capsules. Also, the Spanish jinko capsules, and so a Badwam Mpensenpensenmu. Edia frusani yo ni pedwen ba bia enkaka ekọ wadwim because nipa se moja ntimi anko wadwim a ena ekofa how bebre e de ebredo ena eye anti aging so drum ye empesi benyin no oh we enye yumoka we enye yumoka but we know ebwama unyini ni pedwen de unyini but da bi hu otim se uye fresh sa ena adeko unya Spanish jinko capsules Spanish Jinko capsules. Pevito ewo Halos Herba, Okaishi Draglane, Tinated Herba, Repatch Herba, Widama Herba, ewo Ashaman, Equus Pharmacy, House of Drugs, Jukat Pharmacy, ewo Kaswa, Dependable Herba, ewo Medina, Noliko Herba, ewo Hokoi, Anafi Abed, Some Pharmacy, ewo Ho, and to 4 and 0266 114111 0266 114111. Or maybe a told you be alqua. Onsa ebeke bi atobejafo atrase Yeah, Baba Church, Kombo. Lawyer Chumberba, a member of the NDC National Communications Team. Then Enoch Afuakwa, as a member of the MPP National Communications Team. Also, Embrenimni. I'm not going to go. I'm offended. Everybody say. And there's a lot of you are not. Yeah, O man, and a 2-seat man, that's 1 or 2 idea. It will be the senior. Wait a question. It will be the senior. Wait a question. As always. Oh, them said, yeah. If you are a man, face a man, I go man to sit man. No, I never took to that or man in a lawyer. Sir, Mona, more central for a Mona more group has a near my woman. I would say, call out the coffee. Gabana Pani be saying, no, the one I'm talking about. It is a woman the ever come on. You be shame on me, I say, I see anyone here, Jumano. Yes, to be live on Facebook, say Adom TV, ja comment or Virgin Bakeka Eddie about. Dr. Matthew Pokupepe finally unveiled as a running mate to Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia for the 2024 general elections. Anyone who made say? Oh, Agwazi. The Edikan Yemfa and Chiason Koma were here for. Okay. Na Yemfa Omampenyin and Adanko Kufuado. Ninchi and so ma here for you na. Na bedi echire wasan ya Omampenyin oti apatem. Okay. The president in waiting. His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. One Nyamiada Roman, the vice president in waiting. Okay. Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe, Adodona born Samrane Napo, na Prempe. Me do omunchia ema na me fa akonya yeso mfa aseda PSA ema otumfo 82 otoso me enu na trankonwa. Yeah. Ene asante mantan mu fo nyina Ghana man nyina enura da omoje breje eja wadaje ho no mo. Ehwe adwumade ni o TV so, won so so a follow social media. Ene wona wo say breje adaje eko adwumade na se eko bo chidom na omosan de omaho ne kwata adwumade na chi ma na ye kra behwe no. We dey aseda PSA ene wa mo pa omayade omama adwumade no ayefe. Okay. Na ayehwe amoso so. Wo hwe nipa ekugu ho enra. Sabi. Echire bibi chire NDC for the say Sabi. NPP Adom. No wonder say NPP is the largest political party in Ghana. In terms of numbers. Okay. The NPP is the largest political party in Ghana. Okay. And the Electoral Commission records no. Records no. Okay, 2008. Okay, 2000. Sorry, the outcome of elections here. Okay, 2008 I co-position. I was here the 48% in the co-position. And this co-position, almost the 44% in the core. Okay. And you know, so okay, yen consistent opposition yatna from 2009, ABC 2016 na yanko below 48% mark no. But NDC opposition, you know, almost now 44. Any idea? And it shows say in terms of nominal strength, you know, the New Patriotic Party is the largest political party in Ghana. And until you kasi ahobrasiemu, you show draw Ghana for Edo MPP. Near some pie, the ahobrasia some Ghana. Empo ahochire ebe dukuru wiase nyina COVID-19, Russia Ukraine impact. Any sa niema ni nyina ye ya kamu no krache Ghana for ye ne Ghana for na tu anamo na Ghana for nim pempenso a ye koduru ye ene be ye Ghana for edru na ya rehemu onyame mu e wo gidi o Ghana for nso mu say ebre no so December 7th na omo compare Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na bedi echi Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe be ka say ye the young, energetic and visionary pair to lead Ghana into the path of prosperity na omo compare Sabi ye John Dramani Mahama ene ye mami jina no Opoku Ajemaya Sabi omo do omo ye mpanyimfo mo hwe omo fie ene omo bibia ya omo ebeka so mabo omo bra wie eno ntine mabunu no Sabi omo ha dwen ni se da ni omo tirim kese hwe ye mami a over 70 hwe ye papa John Dramani Mahama ono so 70 okeka ko 60 plus okeka ko 70 ene ade a e kire se ese nya visionary pair ya omo ye astute young energetic people a nimdie mapa ewo omu na mo dwene mabunu da ache ho ne oman kankro ho a mpempenso awiase nyina yakọ in terms of digitization no omo so betimi dia chat that part na ebe magana timi ewura the fourth industrial revolution nim e do hwe Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe sabi obese ate den atari ate den Ghana for ewa rehye mu mapa ewo sa pa we say mu se baby a pese ekokoduru no baby omampanyi Akufuado ahyase aba beduru ene ntoa so pese edikoduru yesa ne emem ne ewura the fourth industrial revolution no it is this visionary young energetic pay
ene betimi e de yakwakodu sam pempen so we beka say a doctor and doctor for president 2024 nyame Adom a doctor and doctor abeso akofena mu wo Blaster Square 7th January 2025 no mo dinse e wo nyame anim ene Ghana man nyina anim so mo de nokre omo de ahoden mapa omo de nimde mapa ebe som o man Ghana no ma som ne yie se de be ya ye nyina so ibenya mu chefa ti akwasi de nu da e course so asante mantem kropon eye Kumase Chelsea Freemanshia Palace eye ohempon na so eye ye de ko wie wo the Jubilee Park a ye ko dan yewra Dr. Matthew Poku Pre we be ka say running mate or a vice presidential candidate.
Oh, okay.
Ye presidential candidate and the ko dan the vice presidential candidate e Ghana man
ya mun file ya uze yisi nyamie to file dia.
Oh, a prospective presidential candidate,
okay.
Prospective vice presidential candidate. Oba akanka semu a asante kasemu a ye beka so yo hen o se yo hen ye nkonko so aya ye so te apatem o gentete ye krakra no se de be ya bre no so a di ne su ehun ni bibia no o so akofam no so aya na abetene no tumia wa bi she ni mu na fe no ye so ye de boa ne man no wa ye e de aboa ne man minim se menua panyin se obeto
ama doctor ba
the doctor and doctor no obeto because o hwe se bi nimfie ne how energetic he is ahwe ne ho fe na ye kan nimfie kwa you doubt it and you know follow the young
atramu ngozi kafra
we me di wachia aso bitia
follow the golden ticket I say ani ba ko so significant to Ghana for shene so ne say a vice presidential candidate any NDC running mate yeah vice presidential candidate no or na ye former minister of energy a former minister of education e mo mampanyi Akufo-Addo introduce free education
okay
and NDC running mate
okay
grandma ye ma me Gina no Poku Ajiman nana ono so na ono so na ka teacher for year adwuma 3 months a 3 years na o ti o ka 3 months no ye be compare person mo ye debate say debate a mo sha see no mo fa mo mbra na education no omo ma ye debate wo omo mienu obi ameka de all this on the start
debate they do education yemfa
NDC running mate
okay
the yemfa MPP vice presidential candidate
is he doctor and professor
yes
okay
yemfa NDC running mate
okay
bako
okay
eye grandma na yafa NPP vice presidential candidate eye Dr. Matthew Poku Prempeh the young energetic and astute education debate no
okay
na ye Ghana fo nyina nyanti ase wom
okay
teacher for mo ye diploma ise mo ye degree ye hwe kwan fa so e hye ase ya time chalk sem ni ye hwe ye friend say free education 419 advert no mo ye any demonstrations ye hwe nsane mari nyina no ye chechirim na Ghana fo ntene ma na se ye na Ghana fo hu de oboa wo mo ene de o say wo mo da ase na ma ye nyina nyanti ase ne ekwa
napo Baumia napo Sheikh Kumase delegate
oh Sheikh Ghana o ma anye ne ye
okay Sheikh Ghana
Baumia napo Sheikh Ghana enye Kumase nko a
were you expecting delegate to give you a different publication it is all kind we are on kind of that is the obvious thing that they are expected to write and they have written and no kwan so adna wajana pa yemfa nchiama ahwefo ahwe na yemfa nchi akase nso more than free his excellency John Dramani Mahama Nchan emre Ghana fo nyinara na one professor Gina no Poku Ajiman say yemfa mo nchi emre Ghana fo na yenkai Ghana fo say akato nabro na sakabru kuma bi we July free mu okay na say obe abosome and 9 December, August, September, October, November. Anna, not to say, you drew a Bernano Sea Quatuaba. My panic for can send me to maybe a Besson Crow. Now, as 7 has become prophetic.
Anything
as a young man was say, she was sitting
okay,
never trouble. And then Mary Wadum and pay you sorry no oba de board roll call na from mudia wa do nkwa na chew onyankopon aye ne from mudia ntu ye nipa otiate asefo asase sunsi o fa bi nso a enipa nso ye wa ban na odi usu no or for the welfare of citizens or for the betterment of citizens timamfo na se omanfo ye yo ne om ye di nti na ban wo busa ho na pay say aban yi wabo utu ka free na wotofu wo no to on say wa enne onima bedru porta na payi etwase wokoyi sika sen na ade koyi
ya sha se anno na
sani ma wonna so obehwe na wo de ato oba na po
na bisa se ya sha se anno
one start here so one start there make my friend one start here we oba and then 100 me dem what ade o gozi here we go enti so we say ni ma wo nyina na wabusa ho se empani mi fo se amfo na kire ne nto aso o hwe MPP aban amfo a wote ho nne ugunyuma ban ugu abrafo aban manfo abre bobra those days kumase na yati kumase na ye won krofo a de fro boti ne ye fro bi ebi a kwase ye fro se obi de kosi Korea enye Korea se bi a ye ko wo no ho se bi o na imom no businessman na ko Korea kwanso ne da magazine those days no enti na ye de se di na to no to nyadu magazine to kaso master na otako Korea ne ya kso no fa ha bungu shop no ho en na mo masafo na bofom ko mpa masen mo mu en wo se we ntu asoma na wukuru mbo dia maso na wo maso ti esi odisi wa wutimi ma wona so free yan kopim camera en ntino de ba boa wo na boa me na boa tememfo nyina no se enano me amikro me UK fo ayebi aban boni en lotiso na wa so mne ko capitalist government same before ya they are the same oma wo motiko they lost abysmally polls are never say Labour was going to get about 410 seats, but they got about 412 or so seats in Parliament. Telling you said the people were poised for change. That is what is going to happen in the next 4 months and beyond. It's 7th December. Don't look left, don't look right. Vote for John Dramani Mahama. No more Mampani, national some power, the some bread kind. No more 12. Now, Paul Kopi Mukmasa dear. Was Ebra ye bo Professor Jenopo Kwadimadi. E ko yi ni chira Ghana for. E wo UPSC. Utim ba bi da said no. Mo. Ma me ne kasa wiye no. Me no mbi before bi a party me say me bo ba ko din kasa. We blogger or something I think or US. I won't find that different also. We one person that was type fire and disipa. O we ni videos that we ndisi ahwe ya we did that day. Oboy chipa. But when Madam Jenopo Kwadimadi spoke no way no was it for once I saw Daddy Fred commending the NDC running mate incoming vice president for her speech because the speech was a speech that sent signal of unity and development and progress. So today you mustn't run. Me say dey obodo mo sikwante dey me dey ho no betro nche kakra ade atwen. Ento hwe dey asin nura ya so se we na e wo shake nu a. Ya nshegu agwo. Wei. Dan na samwase wi an phone ra. Afro I see you get catch am say kon do zu bo sia wo ma you phone. Na mo ka so dia. Ya dia na samwan na enra. O jina oto nyum na obi dia jina de. Bueno.
Okay, don't you be about swear. Yet, yes, someone. Penny Bacon on Supreme and Penny Brewo, MPP, Abukumu, or Abu Kennedy.
Or go in
a Japan, yes.
Okay, my video, yeah.
Statesman.
As someone, or Abu Kennedy, or Japan. By first, we call Japan, so yet, Doctor Matthew Buku Prempe. I will know Kumasi to be.
Mami sign and follow and call.
We are ready. Obeba, ebinsi wa MPP boda. Ghana ha yachechi Ghana bakosoma. President Kufuor to call retirement. But to be sacked who say a free say yachechi Ghana from 1957. Ebe kane yenya president bi a wabua Ghana China na do da Kufuor. Me say a free 1957. Bakane, Mofamo Kwame Krumano, Mofamo Obia, the Waba de Mampania, one Bogana who buy, and the Ghana Colony, China Nadu Dankwa, Akufuado. Mekana, Mekana, sir. They're the Jawa, near the Swam. They're the Jano, of us why ye mania kono. It's in Nigeria. Yamadi see 2008 the BCBO. Chama would be kind of make us so. The Abaya fair, the Abaya Nimonyam, Sanana Dubako, Adako, whatever. Not 7 January. What's so on one in your trouble of your son? Many nearby. And not my dad to show me. It was a Juma Papa, no. Dr. Obiababa Shebuma, Nagana Ede, Akodanim. Mesoya Babunu, we are branch here, now. Oda Chinti, Tuma Dr. Baumia. Mese na niaka ni propaganda. Eboa ye shey na ye diso. We are the best government since independence. Nkrumah Poma say, sa abayfo we. Mo de mo ho to Nkrumah. Nkrumah was a visionary. And ne besine would they could doom a cosum gosha say benya light or my moha. Meanwhile, 1965 and Nkrumah Biesa a cosum bodam. E besine, it is the bulwark of our power supply in this country.
That was Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh. As Mokaye since 1957. Ababie no awaba wabo adwuma echen Nana Adodankwa Akufu Addo. Empo Mokwame Nkrumah. Then John Dramani Mahama. And so Bekaya no de carespem ko na bibi mpanfo bi de kakasa asem no ebi edada. Afakwa why we na enko.
Akwasi
Akufu Addo's performance since independence.
Yes. Akwasi nukremu o nyame anim unsa me Methodist ni a say be midi communion.
Okay. And there was up for real. Was up for TV no ye na oba no na ne de oba gansam. That's why.
Nukre ho no mo a o say ye ka. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah obi anim say obeye bi. Amampanyimfo a abanyina no obi abeye de na hoden. Okay. Ebetimi. Abisi omampanyin dada John Dramani Mahama ono de ompese obeto aso aye omampanyin dada nemum said de Julius Malema ebetu ne fo Ghana ha say papa wako pension eno nti ye statement na nkate na fie na ye organize keti course ye mesrawo na wutu ye fo eno ne ma so ne dabi obekọ so na waye perpetual flag bearer ama the National Democratic Congress no ebesi ne so no na femu de kakra obetimi aye no ono so eye na ye fa sector by sector na ye hwe ye compare amampanyifo abanyina na I don't think say the vice presidential candidate of the New Patriotic Party Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh a mistake so ka say amampanyina na Danko Akufo-Addo a otie adwa so sabre no na dwuma wa ye no untimi fan toto amampanyina da Kwame Nkrumah sebi onyan baby ko nyame fa ne kransie ye eho it calls for a glorious debate because say ya na eboa yen amaya interrogate the progress of our country na ya appreciate enema yenya independence you know amampanyifo abedi anim etimi aye e de aboa ye man Ghana na ne nyina so a ema Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh e de kan de o kan enra no and say you know Dr. Kwame Nkrumah is revered by all including all of us as Ghanaians because he was one of the founding fathers of our nation Ghana. In terms of development, obeye na femu die. Na free education, what the shall say. And sebi ema northern the northern territory and I say Srim Tifi Mantema now one Muslim no eco free education. School and free. The friend said the northern scholarship. Na asiye for southern no enka ho. Omampanyin na Danko Akufo-Addo ba ye no. Even looking at the numbers, because now the population of Ghana were a little above 3 million people. Now you endorse. Even currently, the population in Accra, endorse chain. Na ebre nya fa hudie na o man ni mu nipa nyina na endorse chain o. ɛno nti wohwɛ ɛnɛ a population is spanning over 32-33 million people. Now wohwɛ sɛ ɔmampanyin bi aba otua school fees for almost about 1.4 million people a yiyimu bi anim sɛ bi ufiri esrema tifi mantamu sɛ ufiri aseɛ o sɛ ufiri fra mantamu sɛ ufiri asante o sɛ ufiri atoye o baabi a ufiri bia no woyɛ Ghana ni na sɛ ukonto asoso ku nko ade a ukoni free even with these numbers currently numbers are pursue free education about 1.4 million people slightly almost half of the population then and existed during Nkrumah's time and this papa no in nominal figures na oka the Omampanyin Akufo-Addo aye in the education sector ya sabi eba free education ko ampo a ohunu say why sell e chain Dr. Kwame Nkrumah although Kwame Nkrumah is free education as but with some part of the country
you share the growth of the economy in both regimes. What was our growth rate in Nkrumah's regime? And then I can say your growth and so it is say before you wait me I compare make sure I'm say maybe at Nkrumah's time now your growth for is supersede and maybe a way so that can wait me I that national free senior high school now you enjoy it and yeah yes I comparison because you based on economic growth and I bet me I just say meet me A and as meet me B
I go see who say sebi say you wo ba busuam na say sebi wo ba na o papa di ade odi ni papa de na odi ni wofa ade ya kanfo kwa de na edi wofa ade nti no odi ni wofa ade na abrosan si ho no mo me fa na se bi esikuma ase esibantama na wo de ma hai na nkwala ni bi da mu free ni ade a unsa brabon ne bonye den na wankata so na wo ba and say me buy na wo kan langard asem and as you kotokura langard for gina so and sakwa na obitu adigin fee any hwan fee construction fee ni den kura na wa se project na se kura no fifra obeti ansa na project wetimi aye no so no e wo ho
langard kuma se den na kan grand
baby ade
kuma se den say otumfo outlaw no ntia no de enye adwuma enka den na ano odin even with the promulgation of the Lands Act of 1036 no kura na ya criminalizing kura no ubodi ni bi ho ma go say ekoso akwasi say wo compare sa na ma ni nyina na ehu ni ye say Omampanyin Akufo-Addo abo ne ho modern because numbers growth in economy and sa na expansion in our economy and sa na ma ni nyina e ba akwan a yenhwe Omampanyin ben na waba in the term in office from 2017 up to 2022 our come se bedwam a ode na kwan yi almost 11,000 kilometers of road we at the parliament or hazard of parliamentary records we can watch him be a ye Nasibja come NDC4 at committee Minia I'm saying no secretary to the committee I'm shame be a monya once a manka Kwame Nkrumah interchange send or ye or Ghana ha Omampanyin Akufo-Addo bayi and offer tema to a flower kwan so krana almost about 5 interchange projects
at the time interchange
oh no ye can't say can development as them
I said you see common no what's a comparison here
oh yeah comparison
enti or say odi bibi egu basket
yeah see as segum and yeah segum no
obetimi
oh yeah me feel basket
okay wo
feel basket na me feel
okay
me feel basket
okay
say
boano no zangu ngozi basket oh lo dugu mo anyone be aka fun boano no zangu
na me feel basket we have STEM schools here
okay
we call passing pe Oko awaso oko abomosu ene sa STEM innovation e course here efia could be girls senior high school for a drones or more year friends vessels or more year aeroplanes ne me ya Kwame Nkrumah time na ye hu sa ne ma we say nyina bi
ye hu STEM schools
ye hu STEM schools bi ho ene ne ma so se lodu basket no
oh just also lodi una also lodi Mr. Kokasa besh I feel bad on French. I'm not going to ask.
Focus in touch in 40 years.
Okay.
Kwame Nkrumah time be who be.
Okay.
The first in West Africa. Okay, asafo interchange here Kumasi here. So for interchange project here MPP aban ba here ye ndada. Ene swami interchange kese 40 years. Omampanyin Akufo-Addo and I constructed the first 40 year interchange in the Ashanti region. Kwame Nkrumah time na Tamale interchange project na bi ni ho by na interchange e wo Tamale Kwame Nkrumah time na PTC interchange e wo Takrade na bi ni ho and the PTC interchange e wo Takrade the improvement in our educational sector, any idea near so in no months, any idea who compare BBR and currently secondary schools yet, or my penny could for the buy and what improve secondary schools with infrastructure. I was see more than new STEM senior high schools or so account. In terms of Maka hospital projects, the massive agenda 111 district hospitals, and Kruma time in that district hospitals, yes, and then Omampenia Kufuado, the first president in the history of our country, all my health independence. Kwame Nkrumah bought my political independence, but Omampenia Kufuado my health independence because of agenda 111 district hospital. Yeah, no, it is the most significant health infrastructure project about in our time. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah see vaccine development and a production plant am I. Obapenye Kufuado ba ye no, obeto economy a ne ya hwe nam no amanaka dompe. So kai, sa you ka so ko bi, sa press conference no wan ko bi on. E no mo invite o. So on your question ma wa umisa, wa ko bi sa wa dwene sie ye mfrɛ. Wa ja say. Your question ma na de aso na ko bi sa de mi so bi sa question de am na de fufura ko na mpanyifo gina table so no mo pensua no. Ye sa ne ma na mo mfrɛ press conference.
Me hwɛ time no ma question.
Oh, you say thank you for senior. Everything so wo hwɛ sa ne ma nyina wan panyi ba ye a obesi vaccine production plant amaya the first ever in the history of our country. Papa ne ba ye no my health independence. In terms of sports, man panyi na dan kwa Kufuado ababa ye agudie mu hene. Akwasi agudie mu hene. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah stadium no say no simaye. Man panyi Kufuado ba ye no 10 youth resource centers nyina hini ukọ Dunkwa Ofen Mfuom ukọ other regions hold the Koya independence way Koforudua and other parts of the country Obapanyi ba 10 youth resource centers wasiamaye oba ye na ye wo 3 astroturfs pe and ye over 158 astroturfs in this country oba ye na Botema sports complex na ni ho and the Ghana are poised to host Olympic games because we have the facilities Obapanyi Kufuado and the amaye. And the Enchekrano Sports University because we have well endowed facilities Yede Baya Omampany Dada Kwame Nkrumah wa Maisa and Yemani. Lagos Sports Stadium Omampany Dada Kufo here in 2006 year. And this by 8 years in a concert for EU Omotawa no cleansing a day in a free hui. And then Oba ye no Oma completely na hosting all African games. Okay. I don't think Kwame Nkrumah be yebi yankase wa me yebi. Nanso so no ye share improvement Omampany Kufuado de aba na akwesi sa wo bre and ye fan sector by sector ne ya compare GDP growth, the population of the country at the time, expansion and niema we be hu ne ye say ampa say sabi obi buy obedi ade ye rankom obedi ade o because abrofo ni jayiska but Omampany Kufuado obehwe e ka so obeto ka nanso so the ka obehwe so nyina no obi catch say be take here 20 years and Sunday free education. Okay. This year see adan nyina wie. This deben stories be brave. But I say then so ba ye no. We tell be free education na Ghana for nyina ma etimi akọ ani. But I say. E tell say papa no why something significant. Okay. So for messages here. Omude aba quick na afeye ko mula emrana lawyer Chimbere Manso Enyanebre. Mula na lawyer ye ne de no. Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh unveiling in Kumasi yesterday was top notch. And I sent a strong signal to the NDC. Think about it. I was the 2032 election, but not this year's election. First time to experience such a warm reception from a particular party to adore its running mate in the Fourth Republic. It is indeed possible. Cindy Bay, Kasua, and anyway, a buyer. We say NPP, a property-owning Democrats, are preaching free than socialist parties. The mistakes of 2016 and 2020 elections, positive change, and so they also the buyer, and so I don't know. I was saying, good morning, please. I hope you have watched so many unveiling. Do you consider Napo unveiling as unveiling? No. Capital no. Total campaign power is clear understanding of how NPP lack. Okay. Livingston Asare, and so they also the buyer, and so I don't know. So Eric Ejie, the could be also the Amani Moan was it. Good morning, Akwasi. We can now identify the characters in both political parties, and I urge Ghanaians to vote according to these characters. Mulabre Aso. That's where we name Empaba, and we are 12, and we're 6. Another live draw, and so on. Happy birthday, and confirm Chief Inspector Ernest Yabua, a station officer or serious crime office, CID headquarters. Ufra Santimampo, and our birthday. So, Ernest, you show happy birthday. Nyamigo Shroud.
no nyo kese kopem sem obeye kese pa. So more messages here. Mame everyday 1 2 okay mame shase enfrianum abranti de okay. Akwasi, good morning. This is the voice from God. So regards to Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia, the incoming president. As Dr. Digitalization Bawumia said at the outdoor of Matthew Poku Prempe as NPP running mate, the 2024 election is going to be between digital transformation of the economy and Nkukobuo Nkitenkete with Asante in the banking, the NDC lies and propaganda that Napo is not arrogant. And the ceremony was superb and fantastic. Moreover, it's a taboo for a chief who has been stood on his wrongdoings to be installed as a chief again, like John Dramani Mahama, we OPK, Edway Efrigoso, and also Eddie Ebaye. We see Dr. Bawumia Napo ticket is the best we can ask for. With the enormous ideas they are endowed with, we surely believe they can push Ghana to the next level. Kwesi Reynolds, Edway Free Aguna Odobin, and also Eddie Ebaye. We see Akwesi Dr. Kwame Nkrumah achieved these in 6 years. And we plan to meet Canadian. Also, he established University of Cape Coast, UCC, Ghana National College, Cape Coast, Infantiman Girls SHS, Winneba Secondary School, Apam Secondary School, Swedro Secondary School, Fosu Training College, Oforipenny Secondary School, Techiman Secondary School, Doma Secondary School, Tema Secondary School, Oda Secondary School, Labone Secondary School, Kwadasu College of Education, Atebubu Training College, Brekum Training College, Enche Training College, and Obatisi factories and so some. I say Aboso Glass Factory. Aboso, okay.
And this is toy.
Zarugu Meat Factory.
And this is toy.
Wenchi Tomato Factory.
And this is toy.
Kade Match Factory.
Omotoy.
Akosombo Textiles Limited. Kumasi Shoe Factory.
And this is toy.
Pualugu Tomato Factory.
Asutari
Sugar Factory, Commander Sugar Factory, Kumasi Jute Factory, in Sawam Canry Brick and Tile Factory, Takwa Bonsa Tile Factory, Bogatanga Meat Processing Factory, Bogatanga Rice Mill Factory, Gihok Fiber Products Company, Ghana Black Star Line with almost 15 ships. Edoso and on and on and on and on.
Omaton. True. Was it? Medas so try ho ba. Na zimula na za amfa ma won and awiani and menu zan so bende.
E be twa we 20
ko so twa on.
Ade we di wana.
Na nyamensha. Edi won. Emenjwa bida wala. Minum se dizia no kra. Anyway, so because manena ehwo na nyensem ensem na ho bi na tiefo ne wahwefo a yehwe nyina ehunu no mon kai se Nana Adom Bawumia Bang didn't come to meet an empty coffers. And maybe 2 minutes we see. John Dramani Mahama Bang called IMF 2015-2016. About 70% of Nisika no binyan from the IMF deal banned the Kufuor's government from 2017. That is for the records. And here back. John Dramani Mahama buying air na wa creative fund is a sinking fund. NPP former chair of finance committee, general parliament, catch parliament, so COVID about in April 2020. It yefri and some more sikademuni ni. Nasika na dem sabre na GMO no more not less than $500 million. Nigo. John creative to refer Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund. Nebi ni Ghana. Mahama ne creative. The both time say na say person cost you near market ya kwan ya near that you need money to do all this things. Let's create a fund, invest money or save some funds or some money. Somebody ya brother system ya kase ko project bi na enye da bia na be ko besen bo e dia be ye. Eno ye friend say suahu no enim dio bi odini kon kan vision eno no. No create self to one. Jessica not less than $200 million egum. A buy way by ya wo see one can I say agenda 101.
Okay.
The first seed capital our pedia for to ase dia ma contractors de ko free manase. Only caprenti. Say for 200 dollar money Mahama create ye no no ko for $100 million and starting the project you make am. Ebiam ESLA. It was a fund that was created under John Dramani Mahama's government to support energy sector. Idea chere ba na yefintu ya aban we ba ye wonya kukuduro nya hodin atam se sika biase a wowa wo so bote omti confess na wo kwede na odeja have listed funds that Mahama left you but akopa akufa da ban create atowa wo chena wani wa ka se fund we akufa na create nti e be ko fa 1 cedi e da ba Ghana yi e be ye den you can't even tell me why it wo pa ban ya wo dwene Ghana ho kon kan aban ya na Ghana fo ho asem hia no abanya no nim Ghana for atibia no so chena be here you can't mention Akufo-Addo's name you can't mention Bawumia's government name and now na poko jina kumase wo ye yi wa kire 10 minutes before full time and otum for 2 akatira wo say kachi me na metete wo ohene wo hwe na ho brasia wo the first day akwasi me ne papa ne nya ohene nya encounter me chair and some one-on-one. I was amazed. A foot toward man me. So such a person so that say what? Now we are not expecting to see this character in you.
Character.
All right. But I say, the admitted to the door na say yes so we are hand time
perception.
Sana mate. Or him the son of a canon. Sabi, or Beninji, want me in cancer as
perception.
It's the auto term, no. But also, they are seen behind every rumor. There's a narrative of truth. It's a not track because you have a can. Now, somewhere near dancing, which are someone who be not there dancing. Now, no one's you. Over now, remember somebody was Muslim.
Jubilee Park.
I mean, now Jubilee Park, but I'm some professor who's in Jane. Over now. Was somewhere
and now store Hana.
Why did what? Oh, remember that was store. That's store. What will you basket? You miss me if you basket in the minute you didn't land. Oh, by now, how was he? Your man microphone was started. 50 come my person by Pumone. Will be a new back of my Muhabedi Mampania. Not buying. I had my check for the bank. Samuko from Kwame Nkrumah Mpoba. Me your chin this year. Aya kania me titwi pa. Asantini akan for man ye. Emu. O ka tro bisa wo Kwame Nkrumah no. O ko tose. E kire se wo mu nipa no. E kire eni dia wo nidi ma se nipa no. O so ba na ye se wo mu nipa. You can never shield it. Me so no obey na go for the Pro Max. Napo. Obey na go for the Pro Max. I am from what tell me so sorry. Napo the West. If you vote for these people, if you vote for this government to come to power, we're gonna near be mistake at Obama Saban women about power. You will be surprised. We am show now back count about Hundia become Babana. Back count about Hundia. If you make a mistake to vote for these two people, oh, they won't know. A hand tiny jar, the Bible say, a hand tiny a deal was saying. Nipa obesai de odi kan ho so ban ho e ya hantan sa the Bible kan eba edinani ma eba entina na odi kan hu e show no eda na di adna kire se na ponie a hantan ne dwanie omunipa what the kan koto to form e wo kuma se wana bi something was ago so be able to timetable hu asem what to form apa de kire I'm waiting for the day. Nana Akufo-Addo watch. When is it? I mean, taking off as the energy minister. Because you cannot serve as running mate and the energy minister at the same time. No. We can't allow that. One no president can do the opposite to. So what are you saying?
I'm saying BNB.
Oh, the president then, President one friend can say. I want my father. President Akufo. Any pump and say, but no, sorry, or not by Munas of you, or maybe I'm not going to because I say, wouldn't for any back to me. A be a near Kufu, wouldn't for any back to me. And young on man upon Chen who is singing. Now on costing and running me to don't on toy and piano, you can video be. Also, on no sin and not the change of Mamma, and I put no. The arrogance in him can never be buried or shelved. Why you're not doing so, no, on Jimmy beat no tearful. Or he got to went and 1 minute to Wabiti. Asante here to fuenti. Papa yi sabita fracha amam man koto no sore no. No afro to for 10 minutes to full time. Ofi o say masa ja wasem. Do ka minti. Wanti na woti an ko baka se me kan. Wasima tu fo kukuo mu deda. Be we de meka no nipa mu de akyerewo. Se de mititi nti weye. Wasi da wasa no minti. Omunu fare nti. Ne nche penso. Baby no gina any mention na just a walking distance. Me say me kuma sam try. Walking distance. No drown or try yampia de mane. Na so obehu ni level enche. What don't know? What do what buying way to event say? Kwa me kuma ban. I was in here.
Yes.
So I'm to my motorway. To my motorway. Kwa me kuma na ye. Menu me ye ye me say to them ga. Including kwasiam padu no obi biara. Wunu kwa me kuma. Sabe na papa kwenchia mama. Ano ye motorway to kwasi. Enne ye nyina atia yi ye de cars fa so na ye maba fa so bi. Adwuma ye. Onu akoso modam. Serving over 30 million people today. Also, a policy serving 1.5 million people when you're happy. Akoso modam is serving over 30 million population of Ghana. It tells you the foresight of the man. What do you compare Akufo-Addo? Akufo-Addo is a complete failure as a president and government. If you don't know, it is a woman. Now, post we are taking Akufo-Addo. It will be nothing to write him about. So the man was here, Crackas, man, name out of one who say, would the same PSO Cassound Gram over the Gufodi? Meanwhile, one board young Sufra Pedefi. And when you come when you bank. So, in your mind and your analysis, even Kufuor's government was a waste. That is not from what he said as general.
Osen was safe from 1957.
No other government can be compared to Kufuor's government. So, it includes Kufuor's government. That's the Kufuor government. To him. His analysis. Name someone can not say Kufuor band here, sono, modi and come.
But no, the mebo.
Bra
say, oh yeah, papa. Now Bob Drew baby. Now Baba Bob Brane Chenwa. And papa.
Ah, the Debia Penson, Baba Bob Lassino. Yes. Remember to me over. Yeah. My vision and my aim is that maybe I'm a bedroom beyond my Drubia was a concern. Me bang tram and coding. Yes. What I say, but Mr. also a lawyer, and I always wanted to be a very big lawyer than myself.
Okay.
Do you get me? So I had him. Okay. But me banning she will never fail to appreciate me. She will never fail to acknowledge me. Me make us and be no be make us and pennyphobia me for. One betray me, one more me. I call on their name and always appreciate them. Wouldn't be. Me time with you when we are winning. I'm going to be done. So what I say, so we know them. We appreciate. Oh, and your secrets. I mean, we're in the private life. I mean, that and go anyway. So the Americans said, I accept that. I'm a problem blasting the papa.
Why are you 22 minutes?
My 100 minutes. We are no worry. What are we do? Basket. Me ready to go. We are Mrs. So the woman, how on earth will an MPP person be talking? Dr. Bawumia out here. He picked Kufuor's government, picked the Kufuor's government, joined it together. Running mates in there, he's the king on his own. Mr. Bawumia don't know. So maybe Bawumia,
what maybe a say na pompe so be repetition. Same because ne boss who is the flag bearer. I carry Mampenda da Kufuor and in another Kufuor no akambom. So no call then he's moving.
So why did he come to do comparison of government? Because what Bawumia did was comparison of government. Bawumia did a comparison of government. And I also be a comparison of government. But what do you call anybody Napone Mukaniango? On me was out one coming from one of my who grab upon the how many years to another when coming from. So when you come in Cromano, what do you know your comparison? Nanny Panuka comparison and Cromandia, you know, that's why will be or no penny man penny of us in Quafibia or my celebrating in the best. May I say, Chumber, now we are quite NDC National Communications System lawyer for a member. Oh, no, we are communication system, Patron Brasso. We did the acquisition.